What's up everyone, it's your boy Mix here from Tortuga PH. If you like tattoo content, this channel might be the one for you. So hit that subscribe button over there and yeah, watch all the videos, they're all good. Now on to today's video. Today's video is about this guy. This is a tattoo machine that I bought off Shopee. It was really cheap. It is the cheapest tattoo machine that you can buy off Shopee or Lazada. And you'll know it's the one when it's a square tattoo machine. It's made out of plastic. Yep, it's like super cheap. It's 250 pesos. And my god, that is the cheapest thing that I've ever seen. And it feels it. Like, it feels so cheap. It is a 3D printed tattoo machine. You can connect it with a clip cord, which is, yeah, I figured it would be clip cord. But there's like a jack here. I don't know what kind of power outage or whatever cable you can put in there. Looks like you can put in earphones. But yeah, it is a super duper cheap machine. I really wouldn't suggest people to buy these machines because I feel like they're gonna break or yeah, they're gonna break after maybe 10 uses. I'm not really sure though. But guys, I use this thing. And let me say, for a 3D printed tattoo machine that's plastic made, and I'm pretty sure it's like a very cheap motor inside, it did a pretty good job. Like it made the tattoo. It was a nice tattoo that was made with it. So it's either it's a pretty decent machine or it doesn't matter what kind of machine you give an artist that can do good looking tattoos, right? I don't want to pat myself on the back, but I kind of just did. But I think the tattoo looked good for using one of these things. And well, yeah, you be the judge, guys, so check it out. Alright, so now that you saw the tattoo, yeah, it's a simple tattoo. It's an American traditional tattoo, but still, it did the job really fast. I mean, the session didn't even last 40 minutes. It was a fast tattoo, and there's no skin damage. You don't see any skin trauma. I was running it between 6 volts and 7 volts, I believe. Yeah, it did the thing really well. Actually, no, I put it all the way down to 5.3 because I felt like it was too strong. It was really fun to use. It was really light. It's a super light machine. So like, oops. Yeah, it's really light, and how do I say this? It feels like you're tattooing with just the grip, because my grip is stainless steel. Yeah, it felt really weird, but man, I was really pissed off when I was tattooing the person because when I was looking at it and using it, I was like, man, this is a pretty decent machine, and I have machines that cost in Filipino pesos like 10,500 or 8,000 peso machines. In dollars, that's like $200 or $300 machines. I don't have those $700 ones, but yeah, still, this is a $5 machine, and I have like equipment that's $300, and I'm like, damn. But I did notice some heating problems. It was a quick session, and after the session, it was kind of hot. Like if you touch these clip cord things, where the clip cord goes, it was kind of hot. Like it was warm to touch and a little bit hot to touch, and I was wearing gloves too. So there's that problem. That's why it's cheap. It's not meant for like long sessions. I guess it's for people that are just trying out tattooing and picked up a machine online that they thought was good. But guys, to be fair though, it did a great job. And if you just have, I don't know, one of those instances wherein you can get a machine delivered to you the next day and you left something, like if you're in a different country, let's say you're in Hong Kong or China and you want to tattoo someone there, just grab one of these things and it will work. Trust me. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, leave it on the comments below what you thought. Yeah, it's really interesting to buy these super cheap machines. I plan to not use them again though, like I'm never using this again. So if somebody wants it, maybe I'll give it away. Like leave it in the comments below. If it reaches 100 likes, maybe I'll give this machine away to somebody here in the Philippines. Yeah. Alright guys, leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell. I'll see you in the next video. Later.